Most people think they feel tired because they're lazy, but what if that's not true? What if the real reason you feel exhausted, stiff, unmotivated, mentally drained, and disconnected from your own body is because modern life has slowly trained you to stop moving? Think about it. Most people wake up, sit in a car, sit at work, sit while eating, sit while scrolling, sit while gaming, sit while watching TV, then lay down and repeat the exact same cycle tomorrow. And the scary part? Your body was never designed for this. The human body evolved to walk, lift, climb, run, stretch, and move constantly throughout the day. But now, many people spend over 8 to 10 hours sitting every single day, and your body is paying the price for it. Not just physically, mentally too. Because when movement disappears, energy disappears with it. And most people don't even realize it's happening. Your body adapts to whatever lifestyle you repeatedly give it. If you move often, your body becomes energetic. If you stay inactive, your body slowly begins shutting things down. Your muscles tighten. Your posture collapses. Your joints stiffen. Your circulation slows. Your energy crashes. And eventually, even simple movement starts feeling exhausting. That's why so many people today constantly feel tired, even when they barely do anything physical. Their body is becoming deconditioned. And one of the first places this damage starts showing up is your posture. Look around almost anywhere now. Forward neck posture, rounded shoulders, tight hips, weak glutes, lower back pain. These problems are becoming normal. But they're not normal. They're adaptation. Your body is literally reshaping itself around inactivity. And here's the part most people never think about. Your posture doesn't just affect your body, it affects your mind too. Studies have shown that posture can influence confidence, stress levels, breathing, mood, focus, and even anxiety. Think about how different you feel when you stand tall versus when you're slouched over staring at a screen for hours. Your body and mind are deeply connected. When one weakens, the other often follows. And that's part of why modern life feels so mentally exhausting for so many people. We weren't built for non-stop stimulation and non-stop inactivity at the same time. Your brain is overloaded, while your body is underused, and that combination is brutal. Movement is one of the most powerful forms of medicine your body has access to. Not because exercise magically solves everything, but because movement tells your body, we're alive. Walking increases blood flow to the brain. Exercise releases dopamine and endorphins. Stretching reduces tension stored in the muscles. Strength training improves confidence and resilience. Even small amounts of daily movement can start changing how you feel physically and mentally. And no, you don't need to become some hardcore gym addict overnight. That's where a lot of people fail. They think transformation has to start with some insane workout plan. It doesn't. Sometimes transformation starts with standing up more often, going for walks, stretching every morning, fixing your posture, getting sunlight, moving your body consistently. Small movements repeated daily can completely change how your body feels over time. Because your body is always adapting. The question is, what is it adapting to? Right now, modern life is training people to become weaker, more exhausted, more disconnected from their own bodies, and more mentally drained than ever before. But the good news, your body also wants to heal. It wants to regain strength. It wants to move. It wants energy again. And the crazy part is, sometimes the first step toward feeling mentally better is simply moving physically more. Not perfectly, just consistently. Because the longer you stay inactive, the harder life starts feeling physically and mentally. But once movement becomes part of your life again, something starts changing. Your energy improves. Your posture improves. Your confidence improves. Your mood improves. Your body starts feeling alive again. And over time, you stop feeling like you're merely surviving modern life. You start feeling in control again. So, if there's one thing to take away from this video, it's this: your body was built to move. And the more movement disappears from your life, the worse your body and mind will eventually feel. Start small. Walk more. Stretch more. Stand more. Move more. Your future body will thank you for it. If you enjoyed this video and want content focused on rebuilding your body, mindset, energy, and mental strength in the modern world, make sure to subscribe. This channel is for people who want to become stronger physically and mentally, one step at a time. And I'll see you in the next video.